Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either show or hide the bookmarks bar in the Opera web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser, and then dito lang sa top left corner, and then itap mo ng tong Opera logo. And then next step ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung settings or pwede mo gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P and then itap lang natin yan. So dito sa settings and then scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung appearance. Okay? And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung theme and then next ito yung show bookmarks bar. Okay? Kung paano ba natin ito i-show or hides. So dito lang sa right side niya ay itagol mo lang tong button niya kapag gusto mo i-show. So click mo lang yan. And then kung gusto mo namang i-hide ay click mo lang tong button ito. So kapag na-show natin, makikita mo dito sa taas na nag-show na yung bookmarks natin. And then kapag tinagol off natin yan, and then mawawala siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-show or hides yung bookmarks bar in the Opera web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.